Hi guys, this is Alex from Mason Lifestyle. I hope you guys are doing well. I thought that perhaps I should do a little video as to what I am going to be making for the rest of July, and I'm hoping to finish this in, I would say, middle of August. At least it's kind of like a little bit of a record and also a little bit of a challenge for me to kind of follow through with these. And I suspect that I will definitely have to do a little bit of batch cutting on the weekends, and also, of course, a little bit of fitting on the weekends, and then just do 30 minutes. 30 minutes sewing in the evenings after I kind of like all of my other errands and things with the kids are done for the day for the summer. But I think it would be great to go ahead and show you in the design table. Let's go over there. All right, guys. So I thought that I would show you the first thing that is absolutely cut, ready to go, ready with notions and all that good stuff. So this is a pair of Dani shorts, and I've been making Dani shorts and lander pants back to back. They just kind of fit me. I like the way that they wash on the machine. But I went ahead and got this gabardine. I think it's gabardine from Joann's, and it's like a really nice dark green. Definitely something that I will wear for the summer. And then I also had some leftover fabric for the pockets from Modes for You. It was that cotton linen blend that I used for that sew along that I did about a couple of weeks ago. So I had some leftover. I thought that would kind of be fun to do my pockets using that fabric. So that is ready to go. That's definitely going to be the first thing that I'm going to do. So going to be doing that. Next up is ginger jeans, guys. I've talked about this so many times, and I'm kind of like a little bit of embarrassed that I haven't finished this project. I think it just feels a little bit daunting, but like everything, sometimes I think I just have to just jump in, dive in, and start fitting the jeans. I got myself a Palmer Plettish book that I've had this for quite some time, and I actually just get it from the library and just return it, read it, go through it again, and go at it. But I know another one of you suggested the Ash jeans from Megan Nielsen. I've read about their patterns and they get great reviews, but I got this pattern and I thought that perhaps I should use this pattern since I have it and I have fabric exactly for it. So this is perhaps going to be my next project. I know it's going to take me a while, and I told you guys that I'm going to perhaps do a little video to just kind of show you how things progress, because jeans, I think it's something that we can all wear, but I think at times fitting jeans is not so exciting. But I think this will be a good project for me. So doing that. Then I've hesitated on this project now for quite some time also. This is Dawn McCalls, and I just saw another person on Instagram that I follow. She is other way on the other side of Earth, all the way out in Asia, but she is wonderful, and we talk late at night. That's usually the only time that I'm going to bed and she's just starting her day. But she made this pattern and she made it so beautifully. It gets kind of like mixed reviews on Sewing Pattern Review, but I've had this fabric now for quite some time, more than a year, guys, and I have 4 yards of this fabric, and I think this pattern takes about it takes about 2.5 yards of fabric for a 60-inch. So I think it's time for me to go ahead and make it. I was also looking at the Lewis dress from Tessuti, but I am just just like an inch outside of their size range. And I remembered that I have this pattern. It's similar, definitely not the same, because this has a placket and the tessuti pattern does not. But I thought that perhaps I should make this pattern since I have it. And of course, I've had this fabric for quite some time. I believe that I will have enough fabric to make both of the dresses, this and also the tessuti, but it's a one-directional print. So I want to make sure that I am okay before I download that other pattern. So definitely going to be making that. And then I also downloaded this dress. This is the Fira dress from allIll and Company. I downloaded it about 2 weeks ago, and I got this linen fabric from Joann's. It is green. It is a great color. I loved it. It was on sale. I believe this takes about 3 yards of fabric for this dress. And I know that I saw 2 reviews, one from someone on Sewing Pattern Review. She was a tester. It looks beautiful on her. She did color blocking. I believe she just did the top. And then I saw someone else on Instagram, and her Fira dress did not look so great. I think she just decided that she didn't need a toile, which I didn't think I needed one either, but she had some issues with the pattern. So definitely I'm going to have to make a muslin for this and make sure that I fit this pattern. But I think it'll be a great summer dress, kind of like the last couple of things that I do for summer and wear around. Just be comfortable and just go about my day. So that is it. That is what I am hoping to do in the next couple of weeks. And as you can see, not so many things, just because I want to make sure that, again, I spend some time with my kids. I can run my errands that I have to do, that I can hit the pool, check out the library, go watch a movie with the kids. And I have 1 more month for them to be at home, and then they start school. So, all right, guys, that was it. Wish me luck. It'll be a couple of pieces for the next 30 days. But what are you guys making? What is on your sewing table? Let me know in the comments below. And of course, as always, I put all of these in the website, on the blog, so you get a link and also a picture of the fabric. I try to go ahead and link anything that is still available and in stock. And if not, I'm sorry. But if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and I will see you next week. Bye.